Hey guys, today class we'll start the Java introduction part. Anyone today first class? Yesterday just do demo class, guys. The syllabus copy I showed and the syllabus copy is there, right? Yeah. Gurpreet Singh, today's first class. Gurpreet Singh, yesterday just we done like introduction, like course duration and fee details and course duration and course like syllabus copy. At the end of the class, I'll share with yesterday. Okay, yesterday's recorded session I'll share with you. I will give the YouTube link, yesterday class recorded session, just you can check that video after the class. Today at the end of the class, I'll share the recorded session, just you can check that, okay? Yeah, I'll send you the link, okay? I'll send you the link. Yeah. Yesterday, can we start the Java introduction part? Today is Java regarding the Java first class, guys. We will go for the Java introduction part here. So if you take the Java introduction part, okay. Before going to this introduction, guys, I'll show you one beautiful diagram. Which like full stack developer. The full stack developer, what the technologies required? Full stack developer, what the things are required? I'll show you clearly. Actually, full stack developer must know like total 4 things there. One is like front end. He must know the front end process. Front end is there. Second one is what? Back end is there. Front end and back end. Front end, guys, back end. First is the front end. Second is the back end. Third one is a database. Fourth one is what? DevOps, development operations, guys. Yeah, full stack developer means what the technologies we require. We have to, you have to know like the 4 things, guys: front end, back end, database team, and DevOps, right? The guys who knows these 4 things, then you can call it as a full stack developer, guys. To understand this point, let me show one small diagrammatic form. Yeah, to understand what are the technologies which are used in the front end. If you see this diagram, so that you'll get the more clarity. When you see this diagram, you'll get the more clarity, guys. Spring material. Is this course that are Spring and Spring Boot also? This is starting with the CoreJava group using. First, you can start the CoreJava. Parallel, you can take Advanced Java, then Spring and Spring Boot. Okay, this is like CoreJava class. Initially, you need to start the CoreJava class. Okay, yeah. Guys, initially we need to start the CoreJava. This is like CoreJava class, right? Exactly. Yeah, see guys, the diagram is like so the full stack developer can require like 4 parts: front end, back end, front end and back end, database and development operation, right? Front end, what are the technologies we will use? Back end, what are the technologies you use? Database, what kind of databases that we have? Okay, so what the kind of database, what the DevOps is there? I'm already in company, but I know only Java. They want Spring and you know already Java, CoreJava. Then we started the CoreJava, right? Then we start the CoreJava. Once if you register for this class, and I will tell you like Spring class timing, you can join that class. First, at least few days just to start the class CoreJava. Then you can start the Spring and Spring Boot. Yeah, so CoreJava is, if you're good at this, if you are strong at CoreJava, remind things are very simple. If you are strong at CoreJava, remind things are very simple. So that's what that much Java which is used in DSA. Good. Guys, can please check this diagram once. What is the diagram? Yeah. Yes, if you have the mobile, just you can take the snap of this diagram, which shows like front end. Yeah, this is the diagram, guys. See guys, front end. What are the technologies we are going to use in the front end? So basics like front end basics like yeah, front end, guys. Front end like so basics HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Front end frameworks are what? React, Value, Angular, Webpack is there. React, Angular, Webpack is there. Styles like Bootstrap and Material UI. So these are the front end technologies, guys. If you go for the back end technologies, PHP, front end, guys. If you have a mobile, just you can take the snap of this diagram. It will clear like most of your questions, right? front end full stack developer skills breakdown. This is a full stack developer skills breakdown, guys. Amir paid classes, they are saying CoreJava, Advanced Java, HTML means full stack developer are yaar. They're announcing like full stack developer, CoreJava, Advanced Java, and HTML. You will become full stack developer. Who said in real time? In real time, we need to know like front end, so back end, database, and DevOps. Front end basics are what HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Frameworks are React, Value, Angular. Styles taking Bootstrap, guys. Backend will Java, Node, Ruby, Rails, Python. Okay, ASP.NET like this. Okay, database team, guys. Database we have to know RDBMS. These are relational databases, guys. Basic point like relational database will store the relational database will store the tables format. NoSQL databases, which is like MongoDB, Cassandra, CouchDB, and Elastic. This is like NoSQL databases, guys, where we will store the data like JSON format. JSON format. Messaging queues, guys. Messaging queues like store the cache memory. So development operations, guys, infrastructure, Nginx, Azure, AWS, Amazon Web Services, right? Azure, Azure is there, Nginx is there, Google Cloud is there, ELK is there. Visualization means Docker tool, Kubernetes. These are visualization tools, guys. Automation, Enzyme, Chef, Jenkins. Using Jenkins will automate the process, right? Automate the process, guys. The guys who knows this complete skills here is become a full stack developer. Guys becomes what? A full stack developer, right? Exactly. Guys, out of this front end, back end, database, DevOps. Front end is a UI technologies, right? So it designing part. Database just to store the data, right? Store the data. Development operations, just for maintenance purpose, right? Maintain your application. But where you write the main logic, guys? Guys, main business logics, where is the main business logic? Backend, right? Exactly. Yes, backend is important for us, right? Backend only will connect everything, guys. Everything is backend, right? Yeah. Front end is like designing, database like to store the data. Definitely, right? Database just to storing purpose, right? DevOps is for only maintenance purpose, right? DevOps is for maintenance purpose, right? Exactly. So front end, back end, database, DevOps, right? Exactly. So this is like no back end, guys. I hope you got the clarity about the full stack developer skills breakdown, right? Guys, are you clear about this diagram? Guys, please respond. Are you guys clear with this diagram, right? Yeah. Guys, if you're clear about this diagram, so this is like full stack developer, front end, back end, database, DevOps, right? Exactly. Because if we start like Java introduction, guys. Yesterday we shown like most of the technologies require the Java, right? Most of the technology depends on Java, right? Exactly. If you go for the Java introduction part, guys, is it possible to master so many languages? Yeah, good. Because Java introduction part is like who is author of Java? Guys, tell me, guys. We'll start with the author of Java. Who is author of Java? Before starting any language, first of all, you have to know who is author, which company released that product, right? Yeah, who is author of Java means like James Gosling, guys. James Gosling is author of Java. Hmm? Uh, James Gosling, author of Java, guys. Vendor, yeah, vendor means company. Which company releases Java? Guys, vendor is what? Sun Microsystem, right? Guys, vendor is like Sun Microsystem, guys. But now Sun Microsystem is developed it, but we don't have Sun Microsystem now. Now the Java product from which company, guys? Now it is from Oracle Corporation, right? Exactly. Now it is from which company, guys? Oracle Corporation or not? Exactly. Guys, other like James Gosling, vendor like Sun Microsystem, right? Now it is from now it is from Oracle Corporation, right? Exactly. Guys, what is the initial name of Java? Initial name of Java is now Java is like Oak language, right? Oak is a tree name, guys. So present they later renamed as a Java, right? Exactly. Guys, initial name is like Oak language. Present name is what? Java, right? Sir, we will get the notes or things I have to do in lecture. Yes, exactly. Actually, I'll share these notes every day, group visiting, and I will share the materials also. If you want, you can take the notes. But what are the notes I written here? I'll share these notes with you. Okay. Because initial name is of Oak language, present name is what? Present name is Java, right? Present name we can call it. Present name is what? Java, right? Exactly. Because initial name, present name. Guess what is the initial version of Java when the Java released in market? The initial version of Java is what? So JDK 1.0, guys. Java Development Kit 1.0 released in 1996, right? Yeah, how many time duration to complete the full stack Java? That depends on the faculty, not depends on you guys. If you take my classes, core will take the 2 months, advanced will take the 2 months, spring will take the 2 months, spring boot, web services take the 2 months, almost 8 months. Every course 2 months. If you take other faculty, some guys will teach like spring 6 months, core Java 6 months, advanced Java 8 months, spring like my web services 6 months, almost become 2 years. That is up to you. What is the faculty you decided? Okay, what the faculty you choose? Prashant, are you clear? Yeah, you know Amirpet style, right? Amirpet, they are taking almost all 6 months here to complete the core Java. These all concepts. That is, it depends on you. Guys, initial version of Java is like JDK 1.0 released in 1996. So I think present version of Java, guys. What's the present version of Java? Any idea? The present version of Java is what? Almost all Java 17th version is running. Guys, the present version of Java is what? So Java 17th version, right? Exactly. Guys, before the initial version, guys, we have the beta version released. So some guys are thinking 1995. Actually, 1995 beta versions are released, guys. 1995 beta versions are released, but initial version of Java released in 1996. Present version is Java 17, which released in the 2021. It will be 6 to 7, right? Core Java will be 6 to 7. Advanced Java timing maybe 7 to 8, which is started after 1 week. 7 to 8 or 8 to 9, that depends. As of now, first you try to get the complete the core and advanced Java, then you can think of the Spring and Spring Boot. Good. Yes, beta versions like 1995. So initial version of Java JDK 1.0 released in 1996, right? Present version of Java is what? Java 17th version. So 2021, right? Exactly. Yes, but they are saying like no development starts. Okay. So development starts in which year? 1990s, guys. Actually, Java development starts in 1990s, guys. They took the 5 years to release the beta version, and the initial version of Java is in JDK 1.0 1996. Present version of Java is what, guys? Java 17th version, right? Yeah, the present version of Java is what? Yeah, if you know basics already, core advanced you can do parallel, not a problem. Development is 1990s, beta version is 1995. Initial version is like JDK 1 1996. Present version is what? Java 17th version, right? Exactly. Because still in the companies, what the stable version we are using? Still in the company, we are using the stable version is like Java. Which version is stable version still? I think Java. Still, believe it or not, in my company we are using Java 8 only. Guys, still we are using Java 8. So new project we started like so one new project we started which is using Java 11. Java 11 we are using, guys. So still stable versions are what? Java 8 and guys, still stable versions are what? Java 8 and Java 11, right? Guys, the statement is clear. Yeah, still Java present version is like Java 8 and what? Java 11, right? So development starts in 1990. So beta version 1995. Initial version JDK 1.0 1996. Present version like Java 17th version 2021. Stable version is what, guys? Java 8 version, right? Java 8 version, and Java 11 is a stable version, right? Exactly. You really teach everything greatly. You really teach everything greatly. Yeah. What was the meaning in that? Is it clear, right? Your way of teaching is good. Uh, thank you. Your way of teaching is good and clear. Thank you. Thank you. And if you want start the spring class, do one thing. Just you can call to okay. Just you can send some message to that number. Okay, I will see. Yeah. Guys, that's the point. So stable version like other like James Gosling, vendor like Sun Microsystem. Initial name is like Oak language. Present name is what? Java. Development starts in 1990s, guys. Beta versions are 1995. Initial version of Java released in what? JDK 1.0 released in 1996, right? Present version is what, guys? Java 17th version. Stable version is what, guys? Java 8 and Java 11, right? Exactly. Guys, I think now you are taking the CoreJava, right? Yeah, after CoreJava, maybe you'll take Advanced Java, right? If you are the Java developer means. Do you think like CoreJava Advanced Java is official terms? Guys, do you think like CoreJava Advanced Java is official terms? Do you think like CoreJava Advanced Java is official terms? Definitely no, right? Yeah, then what are the official terms, guys? As per the Sun Microsystem standards, as per the Sun Microsystems standard. Yeah, as per vendor of Java, guys. As per the Sun Microsystems, as per Sun Microsystems standard, the Java divided into, okay, Java divided into how many type parts? Java divided into three parts. Yeah, any idea? Tell me, guys. This is basically like now parts of Java. Parts of Java, right? As per the Sun Microsystem standards, guys, Java is divided into how many parts? Means basically like three parts, right? As per the Sun Microsystem standard, okay, the Java is divided into how many parts? Three parts. What are three parts? Tell me. The three parts, like yeah, Gurpreet Singh. Good. So what are the three parts? Tell me, guys. Any idea? So as per the Sun Microsystem standard, Java is divided into three parts, guys. One is like JDSC. Second one is like JDEE. Third one is like JTMA, guys. So JTSC, JDEE, and what? JTMA. Guys, one is like JTSC. Second is a JTEE. Third one is what? JTMA, right? So JTSC means the meaning is what, guys? Java 2 standard edition. So standard edition, Java 2 standard edition, guys. So JDEE means what, guys? Java 2 enterprise, uh, Java 2 Java 2 enterprise edition, right? Java 2 enterprise edition number 3. So Java 2 micro edition, right? Exactly. So micro edition, guys. I will tell you some basic application point of view. Basically, J2SC means Java standard edition. Use it to build like standalone application, guys. Use it to build a standalone or window based or desktop application, guys, or what? Desktop applications, right? Exactly, guys. JTSC, guys, Java to standard edition, standalone application, standalone or window based desktop application, right? Exactly. JTEE technologies, guys. Using JTEE technologies, you will build like web application. You will build web application and what? Enterprise application, guys. Web application on what? Enterprise application, right? Exactly. You don't know what is the standard application, but I'll tell you later. Using JTSC, we can develop the standard application. Other time, just you can Google it. Just to Google the what is the standard application. Second is the JDEE, guys, Java to Enterprise Edition, which is for the web application. Java to Micro Edition, which is for like enterprise mobile application, guys. Application is not part of our syllabus, so we need to, as a Java developer, focus on what? JTSC and what? JDEE, right? Guys, as a Java developer, you need to focus on JTSC and what? JDEE, guys. Is it clear now? Yeah. Sir, you said like three parts of Java. Where is my core Java? Guess your core Java belongs to JTSC part. So indirectly you're taking now JTSC classes here. Indirectly now we are taking which classes? You guys are clear now. So JTSC, JDEE, and what? JTMA, right? So Java to standard edition, Java to enterprise edition, Java to what? Micro edition, right? So standard applications, mobile applications on what? Enterprise applications, right? Exactly. Guys, your core Java belongs to which part? JTSC part, guys. Basically, core Java belongs to which part here? J2 JTSC part, right? Exactly. Guys, what are the core Java you're taking? That core Java belongs to which part means JTSC part, right? That is the point, guys. So as per the Sun Microsystem standards, Java divided into three parts, guys. JTSC, building like a standard application. JDEE, building like an enterprise application and web application. JTME, to build like mobile applications, right? Guys, to build which applications, mobile applications or not. Exactly. Okay, so your core JS belongs to which part? So JTSC part, right? Exactly. Yes, today class, the first point we discuss full stack developer, what are the skills breakdown, front end, back end, database and DevOps. I shown this diagram, better diagram for you. And second point we discuss parts of Java. How many parts of Java? 3 parts of Java, right? Exactly. And your courses belongs to which part, guys? JTSC part, right? Your courses belongs to JTSC part, guys. And coming to the third point here, parts of Java, JTSC, JW, JTME. The third point, like, Java is what type of software in industry? Basically, we have the two category things, right? One is like, open sources, second one is license versions, right? Yes or no? In industry, you have the two things, right? Open source products and license version product, right? Guys, are you clear now? Mm. So we have the open source technology and open source and what? Standard application, open source and the license versions, right? Exactly. Guys, tell me what is the open source? What do you mean open source? Guys, what do you mean by open source? Guys, open source means free of cost. Yeah, free of cost is one point, guys. Any one main point is there. Not the name itself is saying open source. Guys, what is the meaning of open source? One is a free of cost, okay. Another one is, what is another point? Guys, tell me what is another point. Yeah, maybe all environment, right? Okay, fine. Guys, any other point? Open source means free of cost. Free of cost is one point. Any other point? Guys, please respond. Any other points means like, so let me write the open source versus what? Tell me. License version, right? Exactly. Guys, open source means free of cost, as I said, correct. So open source means what? Free of cost, guys. There's one point basically. Free of cost means what? No need to get the license, right? Freely we can use that product, guys. So no need to tell me, guys, no need to get the no need to get the license, right? Exactly. Because open source means for free of cost. Free of cost means no need to get the license, right? That's one point, guys. Another point is like, no, the name itself saying like open source means source code is open. Whatever the code written by James Gosling, guys, that source code is open basically. Guys, whatever the code is given by James Gosling, that code is like, open air. So it means like, anyone can download the source code. Guys, anyone can download the source code, can edit the source code, guys. Guys, what's the point? Tell me here. Anyone can download the source code. Guys, anyone can download the source code and what? Can edit the source code, right? Exactly. So anyone can download, anyone can download the source code. So can edit, right? Exactly. That's up to you guys. If you have the capability, just anyone can download the source code, can edit the source code, right? Exactly. There's one important point here. If you take like Hibernate other, guys. Hibernate other. So very in person here. So Hibernate other. Let me show like so Java top people. Yeah, what top people? Just you can type the word. Type the word Hibernate founder. Yeah. See Java top Java 8 people you should know. Because you can check after the class these people better. So Tomcat and Ant developer, guys. Tomcat and Ant developer. So he's a Tomcat and Ant developer, guys. Tomcat server basically. So this is like test driven JUnit founder Kent Becker. So next one is what? Java collection framework other, guys. John Boch and Joe Boch, something like this pronunciation. Okay, fine, right? Yes or no? Yeah. Java top 8 people you should know. Why got the 8 directly? It's 8 to 7, 8 to 7, 6. Java collection framework is a 6 here, and the Java 5 JBoss founder, guys. He's a JBoss founder. These are the great people here. Struts founder. To learn the things, you are facing a lot of issues, but these guys are developed product itself, right? Developed, yeah. Spring founder, very dangerous fellow, right? Spring Boot, microservices. This all given by Rod Johnson. is a founder of Spring is a founder of Spring framework, guys, and open source application framework in Java. Is open source application framework. Yes, it's like no application framework, guys, basically. Hmm? It's not like a web framework, it's not like ORM framework, it's application framework. So creator of Spring, COA to Spring Source. Spring Source is a company, guys, in the CD, he is a CEO for the Spring Source, right? Exactly. And Hibernate founder, guys, he is very young fellow, right? And at days of 24 years, guys, he developed Hibernate itself. At days of 24 years, we are just now, we just completed the BTech, right? Yeah, but he completed like guys, yeah, Hibernate founder, guys, Gavin King. He is introduced Hibernate framework, right? Gavin King is a founder of Hibernate project, a popular object relational persistence solution, right? Like database connections, guys. Hmm? For the Java, for the Java people, Hibernate, guys. Hmm? And he's a contributed heavily designing the EJB 3.0 and JPI also. Hmm? Yeah, it's very dangerous people here. Father of, yeah, he's a first person. Hmm? James Gosling, guys, he is author of Java. Because after that class, just you try to see these notes once, okay? So Java top 8 people you should know, right? Top 8 Java people you should know. Yes, no, open source means what? Free of cost, guys. JDBC open source. What happened, you know? Who is author of Hibernate, guys? Gavin King. Gavin King is downloaded JDBC core, guys, because it's open source now. He's doing some modifications on JDBC. He released the product is called Hibernate product. It means open source means freely available, guys. Anyone can download the source code, you can edit the source code, and if you have the capability, just you can release your own framework, right? Yes, if you have the capability, we can release what? We can release your own framework, right? Guys, that statement is clear. Yeah, that is the point, guys. This is open source, guys. The example is what? Java is open source, Python is open source. So multiple open source technologies are there, right? Exactly. Because what a license version? License version completely opposite, right? Guys, license version means what? Free of cost. We have to pay money to get the license. We have to, we have to pay money. We have to pay money to get the. Tell me, guys, we have to pay money to get the license, right? Exactly. Yes, the first point is what? We have to pay money to get the license, guys. That's one point. Yes, we have to pay money to get the license. That's one point. And another point, like do you think even the money paid, guys, they'll get the license to run the software? Do you think the source code is open? Guys, do you think the source code is open? Please respond. Source code is open or not open? Source code is not open, right? We can't see the source code, guys. We can't see the source code. And the QTP tools, guys, HP tools, QTP, QTP, Oracle, these are license version, right? Like, no, we need to pay money to get the license, guys. Is it clear now? Finally, we decided Java is what type of software, guys? Is it Java is open source framework, open source or license version? Guys, please respond. Java is open source license version. Java is definitely open source, right? Exactly, guys. So we got the clarity, right? What is open source and what is the license version? Open source means like no free of cost, no need to get the license. No need to get the license, guys. And okay, anyone can download the source code, can edit the source code, right? License version means what? We have to pay money to get the license. Even source code is open or not open. Source code is not open, right? Exactly. Because Java is what type of language here? Java is a Java is what? Open source product, right? Exactly. Is it clear? So first point for the today class, full stack developer. Full stack developer means what? The guys who knows front end, back end, database and DevOps, right? Development operations, guys. Parts of Java, like as per the some Microsoft standards, the Java divided into 3 parts. So like JDSC, JDW, JDME. Your courses belongs to JDSC part, right? Yeah. Open source versus license version, guys. So open source means free of cost. No need to get the license. Anyone can download source code, can edit the source code, right? License means you have to pay money. And the introduction part is what, guys? Who is author of Java? Guys, author of Java is like James Gosling, vendor like Sun Microsystem. Initial name is like Oak language, present name is Java. Development starts in 1990, beta version is 1995. Initial version of Java 1996. 1996, guys. Present version is like Java 17 version. Stable version is what? Still in applications, guys. In the real time, still we are using Java 8 and what? Java 11 only to build applications, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now? Any questions? Any questions, guys? So type of the software, what type of software it is means, like, it's open source product, right? Open source products, guys. Parts of the Java, parts of Java. What are the parts of Java, guys? Sorry, but the parts of Java is what? Three parts, right? JTSC, JTEE, and JTME, right? JTME, guys. That's it. So type of the software is open source, guys. Parts of Java is what? JTSC, JTEE, and what? JTME, right? Exactly. Okay, so clear now. Type of the software is open source. Parts of Java like JTSC, JWT, JDME. Good. Okay, so what are the extensions we'll use in the frequently? So what are the extensions we'll use means, like, what are the extensions we'll use, like dart Java extension, guys. After compilation, what happened here? Dart class by generate, right? Guys, guys, dart Java class and what? Dart Java and dart class will be generated, right? Exactly. Guys, what is a website? Okay, we need to know what is a website here. The website, what is a website, guys, here? HTTP oracle.com/java directly. Oracle.com/java directly. Okay, this is website, guys. If you have the time, just you can check this website once. So what are the products are there with Oracle? Java, related to Java, what the present version is running. What the present version, this all information is present with this one, guys. Oracle.com/java, right? Why this much time? Oracle.com/ we have a Java. No, I think my why this browser is not open properly. Oracle.com/ okay, it will open, guys. I'll tell you. The website is what, guys? http://www.oracle.com. Oracle. Just if you want to open the website, guys, oracle.com/java, then directly you get the Java page. Guys, see, now it's opening here. It's yeah, this is oracle.com/java, guys. Check this URL here, http:// the same thing, right? http:// www.oracle.com/java, right? Exactly. Guys, this is like Java. So Oracle Java is there, right? Or so he's showing, like, all the complete information about the Java, guys. So download the Java now, get support, open JDK, so enterprise. Okay, so this is like, website, guys, website regarding Java, right? Exactly. Okay, is it clear now? When you have some time, just you try to check the Google, what are the top 8 Java people, Java 8 people, right? And the website is, this is website, right? Exactly. Guys, are it clear now? Guys, today class first point we done like full stack developer. This is the data for parts of Java. How many parts of Java, guys? 3 parts of Java: JTSC, JDW, JDME. Your core JS belongs to JTSC part. Open source versus license version means what? Open source means, like, no, free of cost. No need to get the license. Anyone can download the source code, can edit the source code, right? License version means we have to pay money to get the license, guys. Even though if you pay the money, source code is open or not open means not open, right? Exactly. So these are the points, guys. Guys, all points are clear, right, everyone? Guys, all points are clear. Good. Guys, today please download the Java, guys. And definitely download the Java first. Download the Java, guys. Download the Java means simply can go to the website, guys. This is website. In this website, directly when you open this website, guys, in the top itself you can find one button here. This is the download Java button, right? Just you can today download the Java, guys. Just install the Java. After that, what we have to do, I will tell you. Okay, just to go to the website, guys. Okay, in above link, you will get we will get one button, like, what the button name, guys, here? Download Java button. Guys, one button is what? Download Java button, right? Exactly, guys. This is the download Java button. Just click on this button, guys. Once if you click on this button, in above link you will get like download Java. Click this button, right? click this button, right? Exactly. Because once if we click this button, then what happened here, it is redirected to the download page, right? Okay, this is the link. This is download page, right? Yeah. Because you try to follow the steps, okay? Java, then you can go click on that button, then redirected to this one, right? Guys, in this link, just to come down, the latest version of Java, what I said, 14th version, right? Okay, in your system, try to install the 14th version, not a problem. Okay, guys, here select the operating system, Linux or Mac or Windows. Which operating system you're using? Linux or Mac or Windows. Okay, select the operating system, guys. Select the operating system and select the processor. See, guys, this is like 64-bit installer, right? Guys, this one is what? Select the operating system and what? Guys, select the operating system and what? Processor, right? Exactly. Okay, select the operating system and processor. Download the Java, right? Download the Java. Okay, fine. Guys, here I selected Windows. Okay, fine. In Windows, guys, 64-bit installer we need to download. Guys, 64-bit installer. exe file we have to download, guys. Guys, don't download like MSI files and zip files, guys. Don't download these files. Try to download which files, guys? exe files, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now? This is exe file. Guys, download the Java. Guys, go to this website. In this website, click on this button, downloads folder. In the downloads link, just select the operating system, select the processor. Okay, download the Java, right? Exactly. Okay, sir. No, we need 1 hour time to stay like download Java. In our paid classes, downloading process 1 day class. What they're explaining, I don't know. 1 day, huh? So go to the browser window. You know how to go to browser window, right? Huh? Start the system, go to the browser window, type the URL. Type the URL. In that URL, you will get the download Java button. Guys, to explain this 1 hour required. Go to this website, download Java button is there, click on that button, you will get redirected to this website. Then here select the operating system, select the processor, download the exe file, right? Guys, just 5 minutes discussion, right? Guys, after downloading process completed, guys, install the Java. Install the Java. Guys, installation, don't ask any points about the installation, guys. Just click on next. Don't ask like how many next buttons, how many finish buttons. Just how many nexts are there. Just click on next, finish, right? Exactly. Guys, today you try to download the Java and try to install the Java, guys. Once the installation is completed, once the installation completed, guys, once the installation completed, the folder location, the directory location is what? Guys, tell me, once the installation completed, where the directory location is what? Guys, please respond. Once the installation is completed, the directory location is what? Once the installation completed, the directory location. Yeah, C program files Java is there, right? Okay, fine. C program file. C is there. Program files is there. In the program files, Java, right? Exactly. Yes, open up to this one. You can check here what is the folder generated. Okay, this is C program files and Java, guys. Once you get the C program files Java, C program files and Java, tomorrow please tell me how many under the Java, how many folders are created. Older version, guys, Java 8th version, you get the 2 folders, JDK and the JRE. But latest version, you'll get the JDK. Please, can you please tell me tomorrow whether we are getting the JDK or JRE, or we are getting the both. JDK means what, guys? Java development. Yeah. So Java development kit, right? Yeah. Yeah, only JDK. Latest version, you get the only JDK. It's fine. The JDK internally contains the JRE support also. Yeah, this is called what? Java runtime environment, right? Guys, Java runtime. Yeah, Java runtime environment, right? Exactly. Guys, you try to complete up to this process. You try to install the Java, then we need to check that the installation done properly or not. That's all, guys. Guys, front-end developer in Amirpet classes, 1 day they'll explain. Parts of Java, 1 day. Okay. Open source license version, 1 day. Introduction part, 1 day. Downloading the Java is 1 day. Almost all 3-4 days they will to explain this concept here. What's the need of spending 3-4 days to understand these points? Sorry, clear, right, everyone? Guys, please respond. Everyone is clear. Front-end developer, full stack developer. Sorry, full stack developer. Full stack developer parts of Java. How many parts of Java, guys, total? Guys, how many parts of Java? There are 3 parts of Java, right? 3 parts of Java, and open source was the license version, guys. Open source means free of cost. License version means we need to pay money. And check this website, guys. Top Java 8 people. Top people Java, top Java 8 people, right? Exactly. Java introduction part, guys, and download the Java. Guys, any questions of the today class, please respond. Guys, any questions of the today class? Guys, today everyone try to purchase, like try to take the notes, guys. Try to, after the class, guys, I'll share this class notes, right? After the class, after the class, guys, after the class, you write the notes for the day 1 onwards. Yes, sir, no, write the notes day 1 onwards. Yeah. That will be very clear to understand the concept, right? Live classes means generally you write the notes in the class itself, but online classes, right, that is up to you. Okay, very clear now. That is the point, guys. Guys, to share this class notes, let me share this class notes. What's your class notes link, guys? CoreJava 6. Yesterday I shared this link, right, to everyone. Guys, can please open this link once. Guys, you try to open this link. When you yeah, try to open this link, guys. When you open this link, it's asking password, right? The password for that link is Java. JAV is the password. JAVA is the password, guys. Today is like day 2, guys. We started Java interaction part. Today is like we started Java interaction part, right? Exactly. Guys, day 2 notes I placed it here. Just you can check the day 2 notes. Everyone is clear? Yeah. Day 1 just the syllabus copy I placed. Just you can check the syllabus copy. Nothing is discussed yesterday. CoreJava syllabus and schedule, class information 2 months, complete interview questions, guys, complete assignments, Java material I share you. After the class, you'll get the required session to your mail ID. Okay. After the class, you'll get the required session, right? Yeah. So, guys, this is a link I pasted in chat. Just you can check it. producttest.com/CoreJava6. producttest.com/CoreJava6. When you open this, it's asking password. The password for that link is Java. JAVA is the password. I placed in chat. Just check it. Harsha. And yesterday class, if you need the video link, guys, just let me place the video link here regarding yesterday class. So yesterday class 1 is there, right? So just you can go to the youtube.com. Yeah, youtube.com. Okay. We'll talk. Good pressing. Yes, yesterday video is uploaded in the YouTube. First demo classes, guys. 3 classes they'll upload in YouTube itself. Tomorrow also, without paying the fees, you can join the class. Try to complete the formality, guys. Once if you complete the formalities, you'll get the materials and assignments, the entry questions, and regarding softwares. What are the softwares required for the installation? Otherwise, you can download the softwares from internet. It's not a problem. Okay, guys. Here the Java 6 p.m. by Ratan. Java 6 p.m. by Ratan. Yeah, 21 hours ago. This one is the first demo, guys. 21 hours ago they uploaded. It means yesterday after the class 1 hour. After the class, just within 1 hour, they'll upload the demo video, guys. And this is the note. This is the video link, guys. Just you try to open that producttest.com/CoreJava6. In that, I placed the day 1 nodes and day 2 nodes, and I placed video link, right? As you can check the video link. Okay. Yes, complete the formalities of fee payments. So you'll get the mail regarding the pay details. Just you can get for complete the fee payments. Okay. It is very clear now. Yeah, that's all for the data today, guys. We'll meet in tomorrow. We'll continue. Bye.